I think he likes it.
It sounds so fun.
Sounds lovely, doesn't it? You can just hear it snapping and popping, man. The exhaust crackling away with the tiny fireworks made of love in there. That looks nice. What's up there? Yeah, good for it. You know, I was going to stop there, but there's a van behind me. I can't. But that needs moving. Good deed done. Good deed done. Someone comes bombing a bit round there. It's not going to be a good day for him. Don't know why no one else won't move it. People just drive round it. Just move the fucking thing, man. Hold up traffic just for 3 seconds out of your day. Indication would have been nice. Yeah. He's put his visor down. Tyre jump then.
This one?
Yeah. No, it's coming, is it? Eh?
I think it's such a cool little picture.
It is, isn't it? So we've just stopped hoping to get a couple of photos in front of the sign. Is that alright? We've just stopped hoping to get a couple of the photos of the bikes in front of the sign. Is that alright?
Yeah, I think so, mate.
Yeah? I thought I'd better ask first. And
the only thing, it's not open to the public today.
yeah, that's...
But yeah, I think it's alright, mate.
Perfect. Cheers, thank you. Okay, now I'm steaming up in here.
closer.
That's alright, I can always just zoom him in. The quality's normally really fucking good.
I'll put your head right in the middle of Goodwood.
Yeah. No, yeah, that sound. Wood.
Wood.
Wood.